Most people get this wrong when they hear credit builder card. They think it instantly boosts their credit score or gives them normal credit card perks. But here's the truth no one tells you. Credit building only works when you understand how reporting, spending, and repayment actually interact with your credit profile. In this video, you'll learn exactly how the Chime Credit Builder card works in 2026, what makes it different from regular credit cards, how fast it can improve your credit, and whether it is actually worth using or just hype. Let's break it down simply. The Chime Credit Builder card is not a traditional credit card. Instead, it is a secured style card that is linked to your Chime account. You move money into your credit builder balance, and that amount becomes your spending limit. So if Alex moves $200, that becomes what he can use. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because it is not a line of borrowed credit in the traditional sense, there is no interest and no risk of carrying credit card debt. You are basically spending your own money while building credit history at the same time. But here's the problem. Many users assume this means instant credit score jumps. That is not how it works. Credit bureaus need consistent reporting over time. So even if you use it perfectly, results usually take a few months to show. Now let's talk about credit reporting. Chime reports your payment activity to major credit bureaus, which is the key factor for building credit. If you pay on time and keep usage stable, your payment history improves. And that is the biggest factor in your credit score. Now here's what most people miss. The Chime Credit Builder card does not require a hard credit check. That makes it accessible for people like Jake or John, who have no credit or bad credit history. It is designed as an entry point, not a premium credit product. But there are limits. Since you are using your own money, there is no real borrowing power or credit limit increase like traditional cards. This means it builds credit history, but not spending power. So is it worth it in 2026? Yes, but only for specific users. If you are starting from zero credit or rebuilding after financial issues, it is one of the simplest and safest tools available. But if you already have decent credit or want rewards and perks, this will feel very basic. Here is the bottom line. Chime Credit Builder is not a magic credit booster. It is a disciplined credit training tool that rewards consistency, not shortcuts. If you want more honest breakdowns like this, make sure to like the video, drop a comment with your credit goal, and subscribe for more simple finance guides that actually help you make smarter decisions.